#10, fallen flags, and 4 in power. For some random reason, when you decide to go railfanning, and you see like a Grand Trunk or an Illinois Central locomotive, you foam so hard that you lose your mind. #9, steam. What it is, but steam hits hard. #8, museums. So museums are really cool for history and pictures of steam engines and AGG1, because why not? But if I have to recommend a museum, it is the one in Green Bay, Wisconsin. #7, rare engines. I don't have experience, lol. #6, old paint scheme. #5, anything GTW. For amazing lighting. #3, meeting a railfan in a game. I met Ada County railfan in MM2. To getting away from an engineer. Won the whole hobby.